Hey guys, I'm doing a sound test for the Wyvern Pro mic. This is the Wyvern Pro I've got in my ear right now. Just it's the was it the Jade Audio, just the EA one I just grabbed out of my box. Just to test the mic. Anyway, yeah, this is what the mic sounds like. Let me know if you guys like it. I'll play it back and listen to it myself. But yeah, sorry it took me a little while, but yeah, this is also the stock cable, obviously, as well. But yeah, let me know what you think. And sorry it took so long. I've been meaning to get that done, but anyway, finally got it done, and I'll upload that straight away, and you can listen to it, and yeah, just let me know what you think. Anyway, audio reviews down under, and yeah, I'll be back with more reviews pretty soon.